Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. Noaz, here to help you with today's math lesson. We're about to start finishing up with our conversion unit, measurement conversion unit. So this is one of the last units of measurement that we're going to be working on. And so here today, we're going to be working with kilometers. This is the abbreviation for kilometers, meters, the abbreviation for meters, and centimeters. Okay, so for every 1 kilometer, there's 1,000 meters, making kilometers bigger than meters. And for every 1 meter, there's 100 centimeters. So that makes meters bigger than centimeters. And just so that we can review, when we go from a big unit to a small unit, we're going to be multiplying. And when we are going from a small unit to a big unit, we're going to be dividing. Okay, so we're going to do 4 examples together, and then you're going to try some on your own. Okay, so we're going to start with 3,000 meters, and we want to know how many kilometers are in 3,000 meters. Okay, so we know that it takes 1,000 meters to make 1 kilometer. So we know we're going from small to big. So when we go from a small unit to a big unit, we're going to be dividing. For every 1 kilometer, there's 1,000 meters. So that means that we're going to be dividing 3,000 by 1,000. And if you use your powers of 10 strategy, since this is a whole number, all you have to do is take away the zeros that you're dividing by. So here we have 3 zeros. So we're going to be taking away 3 zeros from here. And we're left with 3. So 3,000 meters equals 3 kilometers. Okay. And here's our next example. We have 1,200 centimeters, and we want to know how many meters. Okay, equals 1,200 centimeters. So as we said before, 100 centimeters equals 1 whole meter. So that means we're going from small to big. So centimeters are smaller than meters. So we're going from small to big. And when we go from small to big, we divide. So for every 1 meter, there's 100 centimeters. So that means we're going to divide 1,200 centimeters by 100. Now again, powers of 10 strategy, 100 has 2 zeros. So we're going to take away 2 zeros from here, and we're left with 12. So 1,200 centimeters equals 12 meters. Okay. Okay, 2 more examples. Okay. The next example we're going to do is 6 meters equals how many centimeters? So now we're doing the opposite. Okay, now we're going from a big unit to a small unit. So we're going to be going from big to small. So we're going to be multiplying. So as we already know, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and there's 6 meters. So that means we're going to multiply 6 times 100. And again, if we use the powers of 10 strategy, 6 is a whole number. So all we have to do is add the 2 zeros since we're multiplying, not dividing. So we're going to be adding the zeros to the answer. So so 6 meters equals 600 centimeters. Okay. And now for our last example. Oops, sorry. We have 3 kilometers equals how many meters? Okay, so again, here we know that kilometers are bigger than meters because 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So that means that we are going from big unit to a small unit. So that means we're going to be multiplying. So since we know that 1,000 meter equals 1 kilometer, and there's 3 kilometers, we're going to multiply 3 kilometers times 1,000. Okay? And again, powers of 10 strategy, since we're multiplying, we're going to add the amounts of zeros that we're multiplying by. So 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we're adding 3 zeros at the end. Okay, so 3 kilometers equals 3,000 meters. Okay, so just remember about the powers of 10. Use your reference chart when you are working on your conversions today. And remember this big and important rule that we've been working on, and you will be just fine. Okay, bye.